Though there are a lot of decisions in marketing management which can be taken on the basis of data generated through observation method or questionnaire method, still there are many marketing decisions those cannot be settled by these methods in hand. Experimentation method becomes necessary in some of the important decisions faced by the marketers. Let us discuss about these marketing decisions. The marketing decisions generally taken by experimentation method are: experimentation to know the best method of sales training, experimentation to know the best remuneration plan for the sales force, experimentation to know the best displaying techniques either in shelves of a retail store or point of purchase, experimentation for testing a new or modified product, experimentation for testing a new or modified concept. Variables in marketing experiments. Marketing experiments are generally done on consumers, sales force, stores, etc. These are called experimental units. The variables which are generally studied in marketing experiments are product attributes like taste, color, shape, then price, packaging of the product, display, etc. These are called controlled variables. There are some environmental factors or variables which cannot be controlled are also studied like weather, competitor action, etc. Outcomes in marketing experiments. The objective of marketing experiments is to understand the effect of marketing variables in the presence of environmental factors or variables on experimental units. Hence, the outcome of marketing experiments only form the attitude and behavior of experimental units.